Hey, it's Eric with your North Shore Travelers and welcome to our channel. Today I wanted to hop on here and give you a few updates and let you know where everything is at with our channel, to include one big update at the end. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Alright, our first update, you just got done watching. I did change, for those of you that have been following the channel for a while, I did change our intro video. I added different music and moved around and changed some of the pictures and video clips. I hope you enjoy. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, the old versus the new. And here's the next channel update I have for you. I do have two sticker options out now. One's a little bit bigger with YouTube and Instagram logo, and I do have that button up above. So look for me on the next cruise. I will have some free stickers and buttons to hand out if you are interested. The next update I have is the North Shore Travelers t-shirt. I did get this prototype made, and they will be available for purchase, about 25 bucks a piece, and that will include shipping. They are DTG printed, which is a little bit different than screen printing. But if you are interested, just hit me up, leave a comment down below, or northshoretravelers@gmail.com, or any of my other social media platforms. The next quick update I have for you is that we are currently booked on the February 4th, 2024 sailing on the Carnival celebration. So we hope to see you guys there. Alright, and this brings me to the final channel update that I have for you guys. It's probably the one that I'm most excited about. I did purchase a new drone. It is a DJI Air 3, and I did get the Fly More kit, which is right here. It comes with a travel case, 3 batteries, the 3-bank charger, extra props, and so on. I have been doing some test flighting around the area here, and well, here's one that I did yesterday, just a small clip. So there's some video editing software that I've been using as well, and I hope you guys enjoy this new level of content that I will be able to bring to you guys for our next vacation, our next cruise. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.